Have you ever wanted to post more than one photo to your Facebook or Instagram story but didn't want them to post separately? In recent years, both Facebook and Instagram have updated their story interfaces, making it much easier to create collage directly in the app. So I will show you that how you can create stories like this in your Facebook or Instagram. So first what you need to do is just make sure that you have updated and you are on the latest versions of your Instagram or Facebook app. So I have already updated it. So if you didn't, then go to your Play Store if you are on Android, and go to your App Store if you are on iOS, and update it. And then just go to your respective apps. So let's, for example, I want to update a photo collage story on my Facebook. So I will go to my Facebook app, and then here just create this plus icon to create a story. So now here at the top you can see multiple options. So there is one option called template, but we will not use this one because I didn't like the default template that they are offering. So what we will use is, here at the top you can see an camera icon. So just tap on this camera icon here, and then here your camera will open up. And at the bottom here you can see the option is selected to normal, so you mainly need to scroll right a bit, and then here you would find the layout option. So you can here select multiple types of layout, like 4 photo grid, or 2 or 3, or 2 split sideways, or even 6. So we will select, for example, this 4 photo collage template. And then here at the bottom you mainly need to click on this plus icon, or you can directly take the photo in like the camera app, obviously. So we will click on the plus icon at the left corner, here left bottom corner. So let's, for example, pick some photos. So let's pick this one, and then again let's pick this photo. Let's say we want to put this and this photo. So we have selected here 4 photos, and whenever you are selecting any photos you can like resize it. But after selecting another photo you cannot resize the previous one. Like you can see I cannot resize the photo 1, 2, 3 anymore. I can like only resize the photo 4. And then after selecting it you can also like remove it using this icon. Obviously you can remove it using this icon. And when you are happy with it, here you can see a tick mark. So this white tick mark is hard to see if your background is in the white. So here is the tick mark, so just click on here. So now here you can see that how your story would look like. So you can also like add here your like regular song and everything, text and everything. So then just when you are ready, so just tap on share, and now your story would be uploaded to your Facebook. So the same technique would apply to Instagram as well. So here let me show you. So here you can see that my Facebook story is now updated, and I have created a photo collage just using the default Facebook app. So the same thing can be applied to Instagram as well. So here just go to your Instagram, click on the plus icon, and then here you can like, here in this story you can select grid. So in the layout option here you can like change grid. So you can like create different types of grid. Like let me show you. So let's pick these 2 photos, for example, and then when you're happy with it, just click on this tick mark and your story would be like here created in this photo collage window. So that's it. This was the latest updated method to upload your stories, photo collage on Facebook or Instagram. So if this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to TechMesh for more tech tips and troubleshooting. If you have any question, drop them in the comment below. See you in the next one.